was happening. So you guys are attending the same workshop? All of you? Which one is it?
No, we are in different.
These, okay. 24/7. Sangeeta Barua, right? You guys? Scrap art. This is Indu Harikumar. Scrap art, I want to know actually. What are you guys doing?
Actually, I'm making a picture story with little text and so many beautiful pictures and illustrations which will catch you.
Ah, and where did you get these illustrations from?
Mine's from the storybooks.
So you're
From
drawing
the
it.
storybooks, we just got an idea.
Okay, which one are you using right now? Everyone's using a different one?
We have to write our own story.
You write your own story. Oh, great. Are you using any rags and scrap art material for this?
Not now. We will use it tomorrow.
Yes.
So have you been asked to get something?
Yes.
Oh. And so what story, can any one of you share what you did in the morning?
Actually, we just made a little story and everyone has a different story.
Yeah.
And mine is about a mischievous boy who bunks his school and goes by the riverside because his school is reopening. And he finds that his father knows everything and he gets a good beating for that. And promises never to bunk school. So that's depicted through various pictures and big illustrations. And you have to complete it.
So where was the idea from? Have you bunked school ever?
No.
Where did the idea come from?
It just came.
That means you somewhere down the line want to bunk school.
Yes.
That's right. Which workshop was yours? Sangeeta Barua. You are going to do a newsletter.
Okay, we all are making one combined newsletter and I am the editor.
Huh? At such a young age?
Yeah, experience was like nice. So learning from today and
Send him your.
learning right now and then aspiring to become future editor.
Okay. And what did you do in the morning session?
We actually took real life interviews, created imaginary interviews, clicked photographs. We had an interaction with the school principal and had her interview and clicked a picture as well. Now we are in process of writing students column and we are typing the same. Tomorrow we'll get our articles and all the newsletter printed and my work actually starts tomorrow wherein I have to write the editor's note. Till now I have edited all the stories and all the things I got.
Tell me the basic principles of editing. We all want to know. Yeah.
Well, first of all, you should not exactly change what others' point of view it is. You can make changes but adhere to what their thought is. So like we can change, look for grammatical errors and other errors as well and give your inputs, have leadership qualities rather than imposing your ideas and thoughts on others. So that's the basic idea.
You want to be a future editor?
Yeah, I want to go in journalism, something related to languages. Because right now even my stories and poems get published in newspapers and children's book and national magazine. So
Which newspapers?
just HT, I've got my articles published, even in Educare magazine, Times NIE. Then we have Children's World and National Review magazine.
Start is ready. Great. So we all know what is happening in each other's workshops now. We have a fair idea. I hope everyone's enjoying.
Yeah.
Looking forward to tomorrow and the next session.
Yes.
Great. You guys can, thank you so much. You guys can now tweet about your workshops. I think you from the newsletter point of view, you should definitely try the Twitter cafe. You guys as well. Rag Rajeshwari, that's the name of a workshop, right? Indu Harikumar. Okay, she didn't tell you. I am Rag Rajeshwari. Let's see what she does with it. You can write what she made you do in the morning in 140 characters. Let's go that side now.